forgive me for being so stupid as to come up here. I should have, like later on, not now. Now sucks, but who knows? Maybe I'm just full of shit. Tomorrow I'll be fine. Tomorrow I'll be fine. We're gonna get it in. We're gonna get it in. Before the battery dies. Because this was epic. Shit. Oof. Is it steep? I can't believe I came up this. Yeah, I cannot believe I came up this. I don't know if I'm gonna do this. I don't know if I'm going to.
Let me see.
Be another in the fire. Ooh. Let's see what we can get. This is Caroline Towers down here. Hopefully the path will take us straight to it. Did you ever locate something and feel that it had been placed there just for you? Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. The bench, placed just for you. Look. Oh, so pretty. All right, let's go take a look at these yurts. I'm sure these are like equivalent of hotel prices. Probably like $100 a night. Who knows, maybe more. Nice, they have nice decks around them. Look how pretty is that? The ones facing the mountain. They have glass dome, or not glass, but polycarbonate dome ceilings in the middle there. Pretty nifty. All right, enough of the yurts. The two utes. The utes, you know, the utes. Now I know that my channel has like 2 subscribers. However, if someday some international folks who have never been to the United States want to come camping, you should know that most of our campgrounds have bathrooms.
Before you cross the street, okay?
With showers, toilets, and they usually smell just like this one. Okay, but this is the shower. Oh yeah, and they all have the same shower heads. They have these like indestructible ones that spray a really nice painful jet. It's literally, it's a painful jet. So anyway, these are the showers at the campground. This particular one has an air conditioning unit right there. Look at that. So they even have shelves for your stuff. You put some books up there. What's that all?